Hello and welcome to another short K2 based video. My name is Kyron and here I would like to show how to change the satellite imaging background when planning a roof in our software. Moving into an existing project, I've already selected my satellite so that my roofs will make up the majority of this picture. If, however, I would also like to draw an adjacent building, or perhaps my project has changed and I now need to include this, I'm able to go back to my roof page and draw a new roof. I'll automatically be given the original canvas I have selected. However, by selecting this map up here, I'm able to add a new section where I would like to plan the new roof. I have two options where I can include all projects in the one roof, or in the one canvas, I should say. By selecting add, I will now have a new picture where I can go ahead and plan my roof. If, however, I would like a little more detail, for example, this roof has quite a few obstructions, so I'd like a little bit bigger, I'd like to work in a little more detail, I could also draw a new canvas adjacent to the existing canvas. Following the same process, select the map, and now I can select the canvas so that the whole roof is within this square. The process of drawing the roof is then exactly the same, and you can move forward with your project. That's all for now. Hope to see you again soon. Thanks.